Well, hello Crystal, Bill, and the rest of the engineering team. Chuck McCoy here, back with another unlisted video. So let me show you what I got going on here. So this is the A329T that you sent me a couple of days ago. Thank you very much. And here it is right here. And on the side here, you can see that I have this cable is plugged into the interior, and this is actually the old cable from the A329 2-channel. And this, maybe you can see that this is the rear RC420 for the T that was delivered. And on this, on the rear camera port, I've got a short cable, and I've got it plugged in to the rear camera of the old A329 2-channel. And they're both hooked up. I've got all three on the screen here. I just shot two clips, three files individually, and then one on the multiplexer. I put them in the Google Drive folder so you can download them and see for yourself. Please download within 24 hours so I can delete it. And I'm really amazed, by the way, I'm really amazed what you've done with the LPID. Here we go. I'm going to put it in parking mode.
Parking mode enabled.
And check out the power. All the way down. Oops. Oh, something's wrong. Just a minute ago I did it and it dropped all the way down to 0.4 watts. And I did notice that the power consumption goes lower with the multiplexer, so that's even better. Okay, I'm starting to rant. Talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.